Yeah, so we all got LED lights on though, and you've got LED. Yep, he's got LED. I do think the LEDs on the Aprilia look absolutely gorgeous. So once again, hello YouTube, I'm just going to do a quick LED check. So I've got LEDs, it's actually described on my YouTube channel, on the one I've got. I actually think that my colleague's LED is brighter. Let me check it out. Which one do you think is brighter? My one or your one? Or is it about the same? I don't know. I think it's all the same. I think your one's definitely brighter.
Yellow.
Yeah. Yeah, I think your one's definitely brighter. Huh?
Yours on main.
Huh?
Yours on main beam.
Oh, I've still got the normal lot ones.
Oh, that's one yellow.
Yeah, I've got to change my main beams as well. Oh, that's great. Yeah, I've actually put your description, your bulbs, right on the website, on the YouTube, yeah, so at least people know exactly which one to get. Yeah, well, thanks for the demonstration, buddy. See you at work tomorrow. Yeah. So that's a good friend of mine. We work together, and we're pretty much partners in what we do, job-wise. later, buddy. So I don't know if you can hear me. I hope you can. So that was just, as I mentioned, that was just a quick LED check for you guys. As I mentioned before, that when I bought my LED lights for my bike, that was like a couple of years ago, and the technology of LED is vastly improved. So as you saw my colleague, that his lights was actually quite brighter than mine. And I've still got my main beam to do. It's probably just laziness why I haven't done that yet. But I think what I'm going to be doing is going to the website, which I put the link on the description on my other site. But I will definitely put the link on this YouTube channel on where you can purchase these LED. I'm still impressed with my LED. It's still bright, but if you can get it brighter, then go for it. They are more expensive, because I think the one I paid for 2 years ago was something like £30 for a pair of LEDs. I think these ones are a little bit more. I have to check on the website, but I will print the display, the prices, everything. So when I went to Dick Turpin, a couple of guys recognised me, so that was good. I'm famous. I'm actually famous. I think it's the voice and my bike definitely gave it away. But yeah, a big shout out to those guys as well for recognising me as well, and they was friendly enough to approach me, because I'm not going to buy. I know I'm a big guy, but I'm not going to buy. And had a good little chit chat on my YouTube channel. And I'd like to say, personally, like to say thank you to Derek, who gave me a bit of a shout out on his YouTube channel. So that was really great. And Derek, that's what you pass on the message to your brother, because I hope he's enjoy his 2018 RSV4. I wonder what the RSV4 2019, or in America they say 2020, I wonder what that's going to be like. Apparently it's going to be really nice. You can never get bored riding this bike, absolutely never. Anyway guys, so I'm going to bid you good night and see you later.